So what do you think? It's hard to describe how cool that mower really is. This is our winter grass and it's cutting right through it. So Zachariah's been mowing the lawn here with the Ego 56-volt mower here. What do you say your experience is so far?
A whole lot better than the old one. It does itself, and I get an exercise, and I have to try and keep up with it. Man, this thing goes like...
When you say it does itself, you mean it's self-propelled?
Yep.
What's that right there?
Speedy.
Speed control.
Speedy. Here, watch this. Speedy.
All right, so to get this thing going,
Yeah, just to get
what do you do? Push the button.
And prepare to go deaf.
Pull the lever.
And you wait a few seconds for it to get revved up.
And then?
Sounds like it. And
watch the speed.
Yep.
The biggest thing is getting used to the drive system, I think. He has no idea the pain I went through using that old mower for years. I can't believe how quick he's able to mow the lawn. We have it on 2 height of the settings. I was concerned that the battery might be an issue, so we went with the bigger battery for the self-driving machine, and I'll tell you what, he has cut this grass in 1/3 the time it used to take me with the old mower. And having the drive system, man, this is now becoming a relatively easy chore versus one that's used to be kind of a tough thing. This thing's a rock star, man. Not a disappointment.